Hello everyone, I'm Carmen and this is Burl. We're from the Featherweight shop and we're making a totally impromptu video today on a new product that we just got in. For those of you that have white featherweights, you'll find this pretty exciting. This is a original handle for a white featherweight case. I was teaching a class once and heard a crash behind me and turned around and a gal was standing there holding the handle in her hand, and the machine and case were on the floor. These original handles are a hardened plastic and they're kind of brittle, and so we've had a lot of these break over the years. Now in the past we've had a handle, a replacement handle that's actually a black handle that they coat in some green kind of paint, but the paint would wear off and everything. So we are excited because we just now got these in. This is a new handle, matches color and everything for this case, but it is solid green all the way through. So it's going to continue to always look this nice. It's also just a tiny bit flexible, so it's not brittle like this one is. And it's going to come with a couple pins that secure it, but there's kind of a method for how that is attached. So Burl and I are going to take a minute now and show you how to do that. Okay, so the handle that we sell, it'll include two of these pins. And they've got kind of a cap on the one end here. And then this end here is a little bit hollow. So you insert it through the bracket and through the handle. And then it's got that little hollow spot there. And what Burl's going to do is he's going to put a BB on the end of there. And we'll include one of those with it. And then he's going to squeeze it just pretty firmly, but he's going to squeeze it with a pair of channel lock pliers. And you gotta hang on just a second here. We're going to get back up through the hole there. Okay. And we're doing this because this is kind of a two-person job. This is also a good idea to wear a little eye protection here in case that BB goes flying. Let's see what he's done is he's just flared the end of that. So now it can't come back out of there. So that's one method of doing it. But the other method, I probably prefer a little more, and we'll show you that next. Okay, so I've turned the case over because it's just easier to work from the bottom side. This second method just uses a little kind of rounded tip of a punch here. And so I've put the pin through here, and Burl is going to do the hammering, but I'm going to hold the bottom of the pin just with this flat part of a hammer. Anything hard there would work. And then he's going to tap it and flare that out. And there we're flared out. It won't come back out again. So that's really all there is. Now you've got a good handle that's nice and secure. But I wanted to show you one more thing real quick. Second style of green case that has a different handle on it. You notice this handle does not have any pins. It actually has some rubber molded pieces there. Unfortunately, there is not a replacement for this particular handle right here. So make sure that yours has the pins in it if you're ordering the replacement. But here we are. We've got a new handle on our green case. It's secure, it's solid. Should give you lots of years of use. Well, let us know if you have any questions. You can shoot us an email here at the Featherweight Shop. Have a great day.